Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of our practical. In this part we will demonstrate different basic tissue structures that you will see in the following practicals. As you can see here, the cadaver is lying in prone position. The first structure we will demonstrate is the skin. You can see here, this is the skin. The skin serves many functions. One of them is protection. It's also a sensory organ and formation of vitamins. The skin varies in thickness between different parts in the body. It tends to be thicker in the posterior surface than in the anterior surface. The skin is formed of two layers. An outer, darker one is the epidermis, and an inner, lighter one is the dermis. The epidermis is epithelial, and the dermis is of connective tissue. The skin has got many appendages. One of them is hair. As you can see here, there is some hair. Some areas are full of hair, like the scalp, while other areas there are no hair, like in the soles of the foot and the palms of the hand. As you can see here, this is the skin of the scalp in the head region. It is full of hair. Now let's go to the next cadaver. As you can see here, it is lying supine, and in which we will see the fascia. The fascia is the connective tissue that separates the skin from the underlying structures. As you can see here, this is the skin of the anterior abdominal wall. Immediately on its interior surface, you can see here this part that contains fat. It's called the subcutaneous fat or superficial fascia. This is a loose connective tissue that contains fat. Immediately deeper to it, this thicker layer, it is called the membranous layer of the superficial fascia. The subcutaneous fat is found under the skin, as we said, but there are areas that there is no subcutaneous fat. For examples, like the eyelid, the penis, and the scrotum. In the areas of the limbs, there is the deep fascia, that is thick connective tissue that surrounds the muscles compartments. As you can see here, this is the thickening of the deep fascia, which is called the iliotibial tract. The fascia that covers the whole lower limb is called the fascia lata. The deep fascia, as we said, surrounds the deeper muscle compartments. Areas that does not contain the deep fascia includes the face. The face does not have a deep fascia. Now let's go to see the other structures that you will see in the cadaver, which are the muscles. Okay.